Many people are using AI every day, but small mistakes can lead to poor results. In this video, I'll show you the biggest AI mistakes and how to avoid them. The first mistake is being too vague with your prompts. If you give AI very little information, the results will often be unclear or unhelpful. Instead, be specific about what you want and include details in your request. The second mistake is asking AI one question at a time. If you provide more context and explain the full task, AI can give you better results faster. Try to include all the important details in one clear request. The third mistake is not reviewing AI output. AI can generate helpful information, but it can also make mistakes. Always take a moment to read and verify the results before using them. The fourth mistake is using AI without clear instructions. If your request is unclear, the results may not match what you expect. Always explain your goal and provide specific details. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you get better results from AI. Start using these tips today, and you will save time and work more efficiently. Subscribe to Automation Genius for more practical AI tips.